The following film is a film. It is loosely based on
Are the meal. My name's Reggie, by the way.
My name is Reggie. I'm about kicking ass. I'm about taking names. And we're about
going back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get turkeys off.
Everything's on a cob! The whole planet's on a cob!
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States.
Thank you all for being here today.
Cow and chicken, and that's Paul. He's getting a divorce. And that's the girl who likes my daddy.
I'm the pardoned turkey. I'm the pardoned turkey. I'm gonna live. I'm gonna...
Welcome to the sun-drenched tropical paradise of
The first Thanksgiving.
Now.
Oh, mommy.
This is
a robbery.
Do not come into my personal... Did you not see the... Did you... Wait, how did you know...
Silence!
I heard how he fell out of the sky on a ball of fire.
He gave me this. A time machine. A time machine?
Will you cut that out?
It's called sound diversion.
In flight.
Punch!
20 hours before the
Coming feast with the whopper. You can all hold out.
When suddenly, fatal heart attack.
I am Broadbeak.
That's racist.
In here. No, in here. Now in here. Over here. Over here. Time.
Time's up.